Hello guys, this is Ray here once again from shortcrashcourse.com, and in this video I want to show you how to list your app on the Play Store. So after you've done everything, you've created your app, the app file and all that. So you go to Google Play Store, you click on Play Store console rather on, and it says the Play Console developer already exists for this. So you just click go to Play Console, and that takes you to the dashboard. So from the dashboard, you see other apps that you have there. You can go ahead and click on Create App. So we're going to be creating an app now. App name 30 characters max, 360. Let me check the site. It says the app for everything. Manage your life on the go. Everything on the go. The app for everything. Manage your life on the go. So we select app. So it's a free app, it's not a paid app. So confirm the app meets developer program policy, accept US export laws. Then you click create app. Get started setting up. While you're getting up, dashboard shows you what you need to do to get the app and running. This includes recommendation on how to manage. Okay, release your earlier for internal testing without review. Share your app with up to 100 internal testers and invite issues and get early feedback. Create a new release. Create and roll out the release. Release your app. Test your app with a larger group of testers that you control. Let anyone sign up to test your app on console. Okay, so we have to start here. API signing key generated. Okay. So now we need to get the ABB bundle.